Organizational culture. At XYZ Company, the culture is friendly and supportive. Employees are encouraged to ask questions and share ideas. During meetings, everyone is given a chance to speak and contribute. The office is decorated with photos of team building events and employee achievements, reflecting the company's emphasis on collaboration and recognition. Dress code is business casual, allowing for comfort and professionalism. Extracurricular activities include after-work socials and volunteer opportunities, promoting a sense of community and belonging among employees. Overall, the culture at XYZ Company is one that values collaboration, recognition, and community, creating a positive and supportive work environment for all employees. The scenario effectively combines formal and informal elements to create a supportive and innovative organizational culture.
Created using Powtoon.